Alright, no, none of that stupid ass shit. Alright, so this is my bike.
What are you doing?
I can't. I don't fuck think I'm doing.
Love soil on my mouth.
Alright, this is my 2017 bike check. Alright, just kidding, guys. This is my 2015. This is my 2016 bike check. Fresh out the box. Here we go. Alright, guys. This is my Colt CC02. As you can see, fresh build. Keep it clean. We're gonna start up front and on top by the bars. These are the bars I've always been riding, the Shadow Vultures. They're 10-inch long, but come down to 9.5 on the ends, so I took a ½ inch off on each side. I'm riding ODI Super Soft grips. Gonna need some grips here pretty soon and bar ends. I'm getting screw bar ends. Down for the stem, I have a Salt stem, oil slick. I'm getting a silver one pretty soon. This was on my orange bike, as you guys remember. And down for the wheels, got Fit TA tires, 2.3s. And for the rims, they are stock Colt CC02s. And the same for the forks and frame. For a bottom bracket now, got a Shadow cartwheel, 25 tooth, silver. And then for the chain, just a regular bell chain, silver. For the seat, got a Shadow Crow seat, pretty good, pretty sturdy. Had for about a year now. It's been on my orange bike, so yeah. And for the cranks now, because I forgot them, so I'm fucking dumbass. Eastern cranks with twisted JCPC pedals. Pretty good pedals, if you ask me. Recommend them. And that concludes my bike check, guys. Yeah. On that verge of life, you know what I mean? Too bad it's raining out right now. Fuck Mother Nature. Yeah, I'm gonna go for some videos pretty soon. The weather's supposed to be clearing up. So, once I get me new parts, you know, we make some videos. So let's go.
Like, share, and subscribe to this video if you like it.
And follow me on Instagram, Jake, _Jake_Murphy_ for some videos on there. Let's get it.